Solana might be going to $100. Welcome to the Right Trader, guys. This is another crypto video. Solana, which saw a performance of plus 16% in just the last 7 days alone, is gearing up towards a much bigger move here. And in fact, I think that it's going to go past $100. I'm not the only one to think this. We have Arthur Hayes also calling for $100 Solana price. And we have all the news to back it. Solana search volume on Google increases 250% over the past 2 months. Solana takes the lead in daily stablecoin transfer volume. Absolutely insane. Solana Q4 activity soars, outpaces Ethereum. Yes, that's right, guys. Solana as a blockchain, as a network, is seeing more activity than Ethereum. Meme coins on Solana surge, okay? There's been a whole increase in meme coins, very popular meme coins like Bonk, that have absolutely skyrocketed to multi-billion-dollar market caps on Solana, guys, which is causing the Solana market cap to skyrocket, and of course the price as such. Right now we are just below $77. However, if we look at the more detailed chart, we're going to talk about this more in a second, but we can see that we're sitting right below our big Fibonacci resistance here at 77.83. However, I don't think this is going to be much of a problem. We also had this previous bit of resistance here drawn in yellow that we're now above. So I think that we're just literally days away from blasting out of this Fibonacci extension and making our way to our target all the way up here, guys, at the 1.618 $115 mark. Okay, that is, just to tell you guys, going to be a massive almost 50% move on the dot. And you know what's even crazier, guys? This could happen within a matter of weeks. I'm expecting at most this to pan out entirely within the next month and a half, guys, because I think we're going to get a massive run into this December, and Solana will most undoubtedly be a front runner in this run, like it has been up until now. Okay, please keep in mind, guys, that Solana has been one of the best performing coins in the last few weeks. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and also take a look at the market cap chart here, looking absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at that, just steady increase. We made I want to say almost a full recovery compared to the before. Obviously we're a bit higher, right? But I mean, look at the amount of money that's going into Solana, guys. I mean, this is just a straight arrow up. And we have all this good news to back it, right? Just the popularity in terms of the user base and the searches for Solana, everything is pointing towards it seeing a full recovery long term, meaning much higher than the $115 that I was talking about, right? But a blast past the all-time high, that's expected a little bit later, probably within a year or so. As the next bull run comes about, we might see Solana pushing $500, $1,000, $1,500, prices like that. For now, though, we're keeping it conservative because we are just in our first phase of the recovery, right? We are already up a massive 800% since the bottom, guys. And I told you, I don't think we're stopping here, right? Because I think we're ultimately going to go to this $115 price point very soon here, right? This is something that I'm expecting in the short term. So first off, right, why is Solana outperforming so much? Because it is a network, right? And you can go on their website, check this out. They have a bunch of partnerships, guys, but at the end of the day, this is why. Their average cost per transactions is much less than a cent, guys. It's one of the cheapest networks out there. It's one of the fastest networks out there, which means it is effectively one of the best networks out there, especially for everything that is DeFi related and stuff like that. In fact, if we go ahead and look at the Solana TVL of Solana, guys, this is something that is extremely impressive, okay? After all the Solana drama passed over, we were at a miserable $250 million in total value locked. What does this mean exactly? For those who don't know, this is the amount of value on the network across different protocols, okay? This can be things like decentralized exchanges, staking platforms, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But you can see that these are all skyrocketing as of recently. And not only that, guys, but we have went from that miserable around $250 million in TVL all the way up now. Look at this increase, guys. Look at how nice this increase is. Okay, since October, we have now recovered $1 billion in TVL. And I don't think we're anywhere close to stopping. And I think that we will make a full recovery to well above $10 million in TVL, which means that I think Solana will push those new all-time highs in the next bull run, okay? And that could be very, very crazy. We're talking possibly well over $1,000. If we look across other chains, guys, look at even Ethereum. Not a very nice increase, okay? Tron, which performed very well, slower increase. Binance Smart Chain has been a disaster. Let's look at Arbitrum. This is a good comparison. Flat. Taking a look at Avalanche, a slight increase, but nothing like Solana. Let's look at Polygon. Flat. So now you're seeing, guys, that Solana is on all metrics one of the best performing chains, and that is causing the price to increase as such. Okay? It's right there. Proof is in the pudding, guys. You can see the increase. This is just the very start. We are not yet even at the bull run, guys. So this is exactly what we want to be seeing for a cryptocurrency network. And I have no doubt that by the end of all this, guys, we're talking within about a year and a half, 2 years, at the peak of the next bull market, Solana will be almost on par with Ethereum. Now, that's a big claim, but I truly think it's going to happen. Because Ethereum, although it is a great network, it has a lot of advantages. The problem is a lot of people want those cheaper fees. And there's really only 1 or 2 networks that provide that on the scale that Solana does. And Solana is, right now, the uncontested winner. You see the amount of partnerships and the amount of users on the network, guys. Look at this amount of transactions per second, over 3,000. And, you know, everything, this is a truly a golden lineup here for Solana. And now, guys, what I like the most about this is just the short-term play here of, you know, look at this uptrend. First off, we got a bulletproof uptrend, okay? Literally every pullback gets bought up. And like I said, right, will we get a slowdown? Yes, we probably will. I'm expecting us to, you know, run up to $115. And then I really don't see it going much further than that before the next bull run. You know, it might go to 120, but I think we're going to fall back down to some of the lower levels, right? Probably back to where we are now, maybe a little bit lower, right? Probably the max dip, I think, would be, you know, around $50. Okay, in a really bad case scenario, you might be lucky enough to scoop this up again at $35, but that would be a pretty big drop from that $115 price point. Okay, that would be an over 70% drop. I would not consider that guaranteed. Okay, consider yourself lucky if you're even able to get Solana at around $50 again. But right now, guys, short term, golden setup, perfect setup to catch this long. Okay, and of course, guys, how do you want to catch this long? Well, there's 2 things you need to know. 1, if you want to get the best technical analysis trade ideas with full take profit, stop loss, risk management, we give the trades for you. The Right Trader VIP Elite Telegram group, guys, link down in the description below. We've caught massive Solana trades before, and we will catch more as time goes on. Also, guys, please, 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 it's time to get on a good exchange. Look nowhere else than Fairdesk. A link down in the description below. It's the exchange that I use personally to trade, and of course they have Solana available for trading, whether that's spot trading if you want to buy it for long term, or futures trading for a short-term trade like this one, guys. I mean, I had mapped out a potential trade here. You know, the risk reward is insane, guys. This is the type of trade that only comes, you know, maybe once or twice a year. And especially on a big coin like Solana, that lowers the risk. So this is truly, truly perfect. And I also like where Solana is in terms of market cap, guys. We have got a $32 billion market cap right below XRP. I like XRP, guys, but Solana has a lot to offer. I think Solana is actually going to blow past XRP. It's going to blow past Binance Coin, and it should be right around where Tether is at, probably. Okay, probably a little bit below that. So that goes right in line, you know, with the analysis that I said there of $115 right now. So yes, guys, Solana is probably going to make a move here to be a top 5 coin and to stay there for the foreseeable future. If you enjoy this analysis, guys, please make sure to destroy that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And please, guys, invest in your trading. Invest into being profitable. Paying for information has been around since the dawn of time. We've caught massive trades, okay? And guys, Normally, I don't even share this amount of information with you guys that I did with Solana, but I want to show you guys the level of accuracy of our predictions. And you're missing out on a whole bunch of other trades already that we are already set up for, that we are already making profits, and we will make thousands of dollars. These trades are only available exclusively to the Right Trader Elite VIP Telegram group, guys. Proper risk management, proper leverage, and proper profits. Of course, guys, check out Fairdesk, link down in the description below, the best trading exchange out there for cryptocurrency. And with that being said, guys, I'll be seeing you all very soon. Keep this video in mind, guys, because I don't want to be there at $115 and tell you I told you so. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.